This is a tutorial to show you how to manipulate a document or an assignment in your Notability app. So you'll see at the top of your screen here on your Notability app, there are a couple different tools you can use. There's the highlighter, you have a hand tool to move the document, an eraser, you have a text box and a pencil. I'm going to start with the highlighter, and I'm just going to work with that first line there. I'm going to highlight I wandered lonely as a cloud in yellow. And see, you could choose different color options there. I'm going to move over to my hand tool. I'm going to zoom in on my document so I can actually have some more control over the lettering. And I'm going to write simile next to that line. I will move back to my hand tool, zoom out, and you can see I identified that line as a simile. Now I'm going to go back to my highlighter and I'm going to change my color up. Maybe let's go with green this time. And I'm looking for a metaphor. So I'm going to go to my second stanza here and highlight that in green. And I'm going to go back to my hand tool and zoom in. Here, this shows me that I can manipulate the document, zoom in, zoom out, and this helps me have more control over my handwriting. You could also use the text box at this time, but here I'm just using a stylus to help me write. And that's it.